Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 3. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, take your earbuds out of the charging case. Here is the left and here is the right earbud. Place both earbuds in your ears. And tap start. To pause music, pinch the stem of either earbud. Let me wear the earbuds and follow the instructions on the screen. To resume music, pinch again. For next song, pinch the stem twice. For previous song, pinch the stem 3 times. To adjust the volume, swipe up or down. Pinch and hold to switch between noise cancellation modes. And that's basically it. In order to pinch, you have to press right here until you hear click. To change volume, swipe like this. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.